Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just diving into CHILIZ right now. Once again, thank you for the continued support in the channel. Really do appreciate all the really good comments that we're getting across the channel there. It's really good. And I'm glad that you're finding these videos educational. We do get the odd troll on the channels there, posting stupid comments, but obviously I don't understand what we're trying to achieve here in this channel. It's not just about giving crazy price predictions and stuff like that people get a little bit impatient with it. This is a learning curve for many, and we hopefully we can deliver that to you in a level of honesty as well. So diving into CHILIZ then, I know people are getting quite frustrated with CHILIZ. Equally I'm getting frustrated myself because it's just sort of going sideways, it's not happening. But you know what, again, this is just another level. This is just another a level of education for you, because this does happen in crypto. Okay, I've been in crypto for a long time now, and I've seen months go by without any movement and things just going sideways. It can get that flat and it can get that boring. Unfortunately, that is the space. And when you do start to hit those levels of consolidation, just sort of nothing happening, and it's like, what the hell? And it can be really frustrating. But people, they do get bogged down, they sort of like get frustrated, and then they exit the trade, and then eventually, whatever you see, it does eventually play out. Okay, so you've just one thing just to stipulate: just have patience in this game. Right, so enough rambling. What we've got on our side at the moment for CHILIZ and is, okay, we've broken out of this descending triangle here. A lot of people were saying that this was some kind of falling wedge, but you know what? I don't think it is. I think it's a descending triangle. I think we broke out, which is confluence in itself, because if you was to start doing stuff like this, then where's your touch in the middle? Where's your resistance in the middle? It's not that. Some people are saying we've not broken out of it already. Well, if that's the case, then you're looking to go down now, aren't you? Because that's your level of support, because you're losing it. You see that you need to get as many touches on your resistance line as what I said to you. I've seen many chartists, because I do watch other chartists as well. I do watch other technical analysis to give me ideas, and obviously you're always learning. But I've seen many people, when it was down here, saying that this was some kind of falling wedge and all that. But I'm conclusive that this was the play here, and we've already broken out of it. Okay, because you get as many touches as you can. You definitely need that touch in the middle. You always get the touch in the middle to confirm the center of the whatever it is, resistance or support or whatever, and we've got our touches down here. You can see we've got the base there, got the touches there, and we've got a multiple support there. So this is a descending triangle. There's no question, of what it is, and it did point that out on day one. Okay, so effectively what I'm saying is this confluence, we've actually broken out of it, and we are starting to move up. Okay, you are starting to see us creep up here. I know it's flat, I know it's boring, but you are starting to see us move up. On the 1 hourly, okay, we were targeting a breakdown on the head and shoulders, but the 4 hourly is saving it at the minute. When you look at the 4 hourly time frame here for CHILIZ, we are being saved, and what we've done as well is again more confluence to the fact that CHILIZ is showing really good strength. Is we've got this bullish cross on the 4 hourly time frame. This is really important, because I don't need to tell you that. I've told you so many times. If you look back in the charts, you see them. That's like a really, really strong signal, and you can see that what we're doing, we're constantly getting supported off it at the moment. So effectively what we're doing, okay, it looks a bit boring, looks a bit rubbish, so to speak, and you've broken above DMAs. Don't forget we was down here, okay, we was down here, and it was looked like we were going to oblivion. We're going down to the 047 and that base layer of support, and again, if we did do that, it's perfectly fine. But what I'm saying to you is we're making progress, on a smaller time frame, on a slower level. I know it's not shooting off to Mars and all that, and people are getting frustrated, but you are making progress. This is progress, and you're getting this back test of support. You're getting these wicks below, but look where the body's closing, the candle. Look, so you've had that close there above the 20, you've got that close there above the 20, and now look where you are. You're up here. Okay, so potentially you're looking to get closed above the 20 again. So you're marching on. It's really good. It's really good. We obviously keep an eye of those breakdown targets, and we do have those, and we do keep people updated in the channel there. The hourly doesn't look too clever, but again, that can be eradicated by the 4 hourly. So again, just to stipulate, you have got your base target down here. If you was to break down, you could potentially see us pull down there, but at the moment we are creeping up. And what's happening here, if you look closely as well, this EMA is starting to go up, isn't it? It's starting to creep up. Okay, it's starting to creep up, and each time that the price comes down and bounces off it, look what it's doing. It's getting closer and closer and closer and closer to this 0236, which is acting as really strong resistance at the moment. You do need to see the price get through that. Okay, get through it. We have some kind of pump or something, some kind of news, get through it, and then see that back test of support and never go below that. Okay, when you start falling below that, then your trend is starting to run out of steam. You're looking at that reversal and that potential drop down there, just making you aware. So again, this EMA creeping up with a price, pushing it up, and eventually breaks it out, and that's how it works. It's weird how it works, but it's the way it works. It's Fibonacci retracements, a very powerful tool to definitely have on your chart. Definitely put that on your chart when you're looking at retracements, because you can just see if we don't have this now, you're sort of looking into the wilderness. What's going on? How come it's doing that? I don't understand it, and you can't see where the levels of resistance and support are. So that's why we drop the fibs in. Okay, the fibs are really important because a lot of traders use these fibs. The pro traders are using these. And that's where buys and sells are coming in, and like I said to you, you will see the levels of resistance marching on. So that's just a quick update for CHILIZ. Not much more I can say than that, really. I'm not really seeing anything other than that consolidation at the moment, but I will keep you updated, obviously. And if anything does occur, then obviously I'll put it in a Telegram group there to keep you updated. But at the minute, still relatively, on the grand scheme of things, really healthy. I know you don't think it is, and I do see a lot of people saying it's not. Okay, but it is. We are getting supported on this 4-hourly time frame anyway. We do look like we're getting supported. At one point there this morning, we looked like we fell below the support line on the hourly. Okay, but you can see the 4-hourly is helping us. We're above the EMAs, and that's always key. Always key. Okay, we're above these EMAs. Okay, so if in doubt, zoom out, look at the EMAs, look where the price action is in accordance to the EMAs, and you are slowly creeping on and marching up in a healthy, organically way for CHILIZ there after a long level of consolidation. So hopefully we can get this bounce that we're looking for quite soon, which would be nice. I think all it's going to take is some kind of news or something, and something gets released, and you'll see CHILIZ just take off. Do take care. And I'll be back with another video tomorrow on CHILIZ and keep everyone updated. And thanks for the really nice comments, and also thank you for sharing the videos where you can, and everything else that you do for the channel here to help it contribute to the growth. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.